Pa-announce na yung pinta.
Pakitanggal na lang yung mga hikaw, kwintas, singsing.
Bili ko lang niya kanina.
Ambang na to ha? Wala pa nga.
Number 2. Pinasa kay number 1. Number 1, support for traveling by lane. Number 9, walking to number 23, Loki. Number 4, no good. Rebound by number 7. Pinasa kay number 4, tapos 44 rebound. Pass back to Loki. Easy 2. Number 1, pinasa kay Riel. Black. Dalawang block may number 23. Pass to number 5, number 23. Easy 2 basket. 12 points ang kalamangan. Number 1, giving the ball. Pass to number 4, 4-4. Binalik kay 1-3-1 to number 2. Number 1. No good by number 71. Number 4 to number 23. Easy 2. Nakasang ball.
Tagal na siya. Turo mo na lang. Tuloy ka lang sa phone. Okay, kumain para dito.
Number 4. Traveling violation.
Hindi dapat ano mo yung nabalik. Kasi para ano. Kasi turo mo na lang yung one kaya.
Pinasa sa labas. Nakuha ni Waki. Number 8, 9. To number 4. Out pass. Nilabas ulit. Number 23. 24-second shot clock violation. Top defense na. Steal. Number 9. Number 3. No good. Sindong. 2 points. 71, hurry up. Number 9. Pass sa gitna. Steal. By number 1. Steal move. Easy 2. 2 points. Number 9. Giving the ball. Bola. Pass to number 4. 3 points, no good. 4-4-4 for the rebound. Number 1. Nag-drive. No good. Okay. Number 5. Easy 2. Number 1. Pinasa kay number 4. Steal by number 4. Ganda. 2 points by number 4. Number 71. Having the ball. Tinira. No goal. Rebound by Yauki. Algiers, tumira number 4. No good. steal by number 444. Number 1, steal by number 9. Out of bounds. Change player. Second foul. Number 1 to number 2. Tumiran Reyes. No good. Rebound by number 7. Traveling violation. Umikot na. Tumiran Reyes. No good. Rebound by 27. Nagagawang bola. Bernard. Isa 2. Number 1. To number 2 ulit. Yun, puwasok din. Number 7, ang mga bola. To number 15, tumiran 3. No good. Rebound by 1-3-1. Number 4, tumira. No good, sobra. Number 7, rebound. Pinasa kay number 27, other pass. Easy to basket. Number 1, nakabola, drive. Pinasa, steal. High steal. Number 13. You know, baby boy, sablay. Number 1, tumirang 3. No good pa rin. Number 7. Layup. Foul. Who's foul red? Number 2. First personal foul, first team foul. Unang tira, no good. Wala, hindi pwede mag-spot. Second free throw, good. 4-4-4. Pass to number 2. Traveling violation. Dribble muna. Last 1 minute sa ating first quarter. Number 7, pass sa gitna. Blocked by number 44. Four. Tumira. Beno, nilabas pa. Baby boy, tapos. Kailangan ng inspirasyon.
Walang salambing.
Number 1. Pass 2. Number 2. Steal by number 27. Nakuha lang ulit kay 4-4-4. Steal by number 27. Easy 2. I see. Real 1-3-1 counter plus. Wow. Plus 1. No good. Isa pa. Isa. Second free. Wala ulit. Maalat. 27. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Momba. Good for 2. Nice one, baby boy. 44 to number 1. Number 2. Still out of bounds. Last touch by number 2. Number 7. Labas lang daw. Pass to Beno. Tumira ng 3. Boarding. Board lang. Naubos sa free throw. Pinili. No good. Nag-drop number 7. Easy 2. Lamang na ng 25 ang Algiers. One, 3-1. To number 2, no good. Number 7. Tapos. Foul. First foul net. Number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 2. Pasa gitna. Number 444. Tuwira, no good. Sobra. Lusot. Number 1, 3 points. So number 1. Last 17 seconds. Number 3, sobra. Last 7 seconds. 4 seconds. End of our first quarter.
Pagka pagka unang bola yung Algiers eh. Moreno. Nakuha ni Moreno, 3 points. No good. Rebound by 71. Drive. Foul. Foul number 9. First free throw, good. Second free throw. Second free throw, no good. Foul. 1-3-1. Second personal foul. Pangilang foul niya.
Kuya Roque. Roque.
number 888. Okay, number 888.
Foul on tira. Good. Both for 2. Number 1. Nag-drive. No good. Rebound by number 12. To number 9, to number 5, number 4. Pinabas. Pinalik kay number 23. Sa linggo. Intercept. 5 seconds. Shot clock.
First remove ka kasi muna eh. First remove. Tapos bago. Makakapag-order ka ba sir? Hindi, ano yun?
4 seconds. Lead for 2. Steal by 1-3-1. Players, patakin ako ha. Good for 2. Twenty 12. Nasib. Number 2, Black. Foul. Pinasa kay Rep. No good. Number 1. Pass to number 71. 71 nag-take. Kanan pa rin. Kaliwa pa rin. Good for 2. Sayang. Ulang sila. Number 9. Nagbababa na bola. Pass to Lindong. Pinasa number 4. Pass to number 23. Layup. No good. Rebound ulit sa Lindong. Try 4. Tingnan 3. No good. Bounce pass. Steal. Hindi steal. Ano? Hindi steal. Good for 2. Triple bounce. 12 seconds. Ball na. Triple beast. Pinasa kay 4-4. Pass to number 71. 71. Take ulit. Kaliwa lang. 1-3-1. No good. Huli, number 23, pass to number 5, pass to number referee ulit. Pinasa ulit kay referee. Number 71, 1-3-1. Pinasa sa labas. Nakuha ni number 9. Isa 2. Lamang ng 25. 25. Number 2. Steal na naman. Sa number 4. Vote. Sobra. Number 1. Cross. Layup. No vote. Sobra. 1-3-1 ay pag-asol play. Nakuha ni 1-3-1-1. Nasa 2 basket. Change 5. Pasok yung isa, pasok. Team 8-8-8.
Sila ESW sa Isipawo.
Kapay. Pinasa sa gitna. Pinasa sa labas. Kay Lennox. Number 15, Gallero. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by number 444. Ito pa si number 1. Number 1, layup. Ganda nun. Easy to by number 1. Binali sa ere. 7. Sa kita bola. Huli. Hindi na. Number 27. Pinasa kay number 7 ulit. Tumira 3. Kapos. Number 1. Number 15. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by number 88. To number 1. Nag-drive. Foul. Who's foul that? Number 13. First personal foul, second team foul by number 13. First free throw. Good. Second free throw. Swap. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 13. To number 15 ulit. Tumira. Foul. 1-3-1. Second personal foul, second team foul. First free throw. Good. Second free throw. Good again. 2 out of 2. Number 1, bounce pass to 1-3-1. 1-3-1. Pampage. Reverse. No good. Rebound by 27. 27. Kaya na bola. Pinasa kay Baby Boy. Pinasa niya sa sarili niya. Good. Nine seconds. Reverse. Easy two. Eight over. Tumiran 3. Sobra. Rebound by number 61. Last point. 7. Binababa ang bola. 7. Pass to 15. Intercepted. 14-second shot clock. Benedict traveling violation. Step muna. Number 1. Number 1-3-1. Back to number 1. Pump it. Jump. Good. Good for 2. Pass break to number 1. Baby boy. Number 1. Crossover. Crossover. No good. Follow up. Good follow up. By 14. Hindi po pwede. Time 4 seconds. Number 2. Binababa ang bola. Tumira sa gitna. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 27, pinasa kay number 7. Crossover, back, behind the back. Pinasa kay Waki. Bola na, Triple B's. Last 1 minute for the second quarter. Number 1. 2. 4-4-4. Nabitawan. Spin move. Good. Steal by number 1. Pinasa number 1, steal by number 1. Tumira. No good ulit. Reverse. No good reverse. Number 1. Nagdadrive. Layups. Block.
Pwede. Basta hindi pa nagsisimula yung third quarter. Second pa lang.
Tumira. No good. Rebound by Beno. Tumira ng 3. No good. Last 5 seconds. End of our second quarter. Back to the ball game. Open sub na, open sub. Tumirang 3, no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 to number 15. To number 4. Number 9, pump fakes. No good. Rebound by 1. Out of bounds. Number 9, tumira 3, foul. Tatlo. Nine, 1-1. First free throw. Good. Second free throw. Lamang ng 24. Pasok ulit. Last free throw. Convert at lahat. Ulit yung 3 points. Pinasag din na, steal by. Wala. Sa point, pero nakatawan. Kasalindong number 15, nasa 2 basket. Number 1, babahin, spin move, iwan ng dalawa. Sabay kinaliwa pa. Bagan to.
1-3-1.
Game ball, pag game ball. 1-3-1. Naghahanap. Mas tulong crossover. 71. No good. Rebound by 888. 888. No good. Rebound by number 9. Seven. Nakabola. Na. Pass to. Number 9, tumira 3. No good. Sobra. Rebound by number 5. Wala. Nakuha number 7. Roger Rondo. Rondo boy. Rebound. Number one. Foul. Who's fouled up? Number 9. Who's yung foul? Second person. Ay. Sub. 21 out, 4-4 in. Line 1-1. Tumira. 3 points. Seven. Ginagawa mo na. 23 na ang kalamangan. Pinas sa labas. Who's ball? Bola lang. Bola ng pink. Ganda ng pasa. 4-4-4. Bounce. Baba na lang sa 21 kalamangan. Number 5. 2, number 4. Number 4. Binaligay number 5. Sindon. Huli by number 1. Bounce pass. Ganda. Kaliwa naman. Kapos. Number 9, tumirang press. No good. Salit. 911. What's your emergency boy? Sablay. 1, number 7. Number 7, guy. Number 2. Number 1. Tumira. Baba ulit sa 23 sa kalamangan. Lupit ng crossover sa may tira. Winersa na ni Franco. Yun lang. Substitution.
One substitution.
Clear 3. No good. Wala pa. Number 2. Cross. Foul. Foul by number 9. Third personal foul. Final team foul. Second team foul.
Dan, haba ko next. Dead ball.
2-3, no good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 4. Ganda. Easy to basket. Pinasa ganda, steal again. Black, may behind. Number 88. Substitution. Pasok. Inersa na. Tapos. Rebound by number 2. 3 steal ulit by number 4. Now 2 points. 9-1-1. foul. Who's foul rep? Number 15. Third team foul. Pangilang, First personal foul. Third team foul. First free throw. No good. Second free throw. Second attempt. No good. Rebound ulit by Riel. Uy, binato sa labas. Number 7 ulit, Brian. Uy, di mo na Minase. Rebound. Steve by number 4. Foul. Foul number 4. 14 foul. Substitution. Pasok. Number 37, labas number 4.
Pangilang personal foul.
Substitution. First personal foul pa number 4. Number 9 out, number 1 in. 14 foul. Kuha number 8 to Gate. Pinasa sa labas, nag-cross pass. Nakuha ni number 444. Last 8 seconds. Foul. Number 1. Foul, baby boy. Penalty. Mali, nabasa ko lang.
Ilang personal foul sa baby boy?
First personal foul, penalty. First try, no good. Second free throw. Shoutout nga pala sa sponsor natin, Cobra Energy Drink. Pasok, isang tira. At Vitamilk. Pati kay Jekasa NJ at Manyaman. Sponsor natin yan. Number 5, Pokes. Number 7, tumirang press. No good. Rebound by 15. Score by Norky Ball. Steal ulit. Hindi. Hindi pala. Tumira, perimeter. Baling. 32 na lang ang kalamangan. Kaunti na lang. Shaquille O'Neal. Pasa ilalim. Ganda nun yun, Shaquille O'Neal lang. 9-on-1. So, Real, 1-3-1. Pinasa ulit yung 9-on-1. Hinaharas pa rin. Kahit sobrang lamang na. Pinasa ay, number 2, tumirang press. Bang. Babasa 31 ulit ang kalamangan. Point guard natin, number 15. Pass to number 1, pass to number 15. Pinasa kay Baby Boy. Tapos. Rebound by number 2. Nagdadala ng bola. Stop lang. Pasa ulit kay 9-on-1. Block. Block ulit. Ay, sablay pala. Bola lang. Substitution. Pinas sa labas. 7 seconds.
Bawal na. Third quarter na.
Seven. Tumirang tres. No good. Foul. Underneath. Foul number 12. Penalty yan.
No, thank you.
Rebound na before yung foul. Penalty. Defensive rebound. Defensive foul. So, first free throw. Good. Second throw. 30 na lang ang kalabangan. Pasok. "27. Binababa mo wala. Tumirang press. No good. Lumabas. Rebound by number 131. Nakuha ni number 2. Crossover. Oh! Naiwan. Yun lang, na-block. Nakuha 911. 911. Drop. Here drop. No goal. Rebound by number 27. 27. Pinababa pa wala. Ipamadalis. 27. Out of bounds. Napapit. Bola ng Algiers. Time remaining 2 minutes for our third quarter. Pinasay 4-4-4. Sa'yo na yan, Brad. Sobra. 8-8-8. Hindi. Score lang. Second. Pasok. 88. Umikot. No good. Rebound niya ulit. Umikot ulit. No good pa rin. Umikot din ang kalaban. Spinelli. Baby boy. Easy to basket by shoutout daw sa Binibibians. Top Binibibians. Si Mauchi. Oh, ganda nun. Yung pala yung nahabol yung kanina eh. Labas. 10 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds. End of our third quarter. Back to the ball game. Balang ang Algiers. Steal. Pass break. Nabag. Pinas sa ilalim. 223. To Beno. Tumira ng 3. Ben. Pumasok Ben. Isang 3 points at walang free throw. Tuwirang 3. No goal. Pass and play. Belok, tuwirang 3. Balik ulit sana. Airball. Tuwirang 3. No goal. Rebound back. Real. Reverse. No good. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 23. Number 23, try. Tawag rep. Substitution. Time out. Time out. Sige, sige. Wait lang. Okay na sa inyo? Sige, para doon isa. Pwede na mag-break. Pero sa standard rules natin, bawal na. Since medyo malaking labang nila.
Hindi ko masalanan ha.
Number 1. Number 29. 3 points by number 1. Red.
Bakit kasi yung mga sino pumasok sa number 29 ka, 29 sino yun? Bakit ka dito sa
Easy 2. Baba sa 18 kalamangan. Rebound by. Naku, mukhang mali yung decision ng Algiers.
Nag-assist na ako. Dami ko pa dito ah.
Easy 2 by number 22. Number 1. No good. Rebound by. Situation. Foul number 12. Pasok, labas, labas, pasok. Bumaba sa 17 kalamangan. 17 na lang ang kalamangan. Last 5 minutes. Steal. Nakuha ulit. 88. Pass 2. Morales. No good. Rebound by number 15. Rebound by Branco. Binalik sa kanya. Pinasa kay Waki. No good. Rebound ko. Assist by myself. Nakuha ni 4. No good. Substitution. Pasok. Substitution. 4 for 4 in. 4:31 out. Substitution.
Nalaro ba naman sila eh?
Red. Number 88, tumira 3. Over. Veterans. Oops. Chillax lang. Foul. Number 7, foul. Pangilang foul lang isa, number 7? Second personal foul, first team foul. Gege. Tumira 3, tapos. Easy 2 by number 8, 8, 8. Oops. Out of bounds. Substitution. Number 3, perimeter. Down. 17 na lang kalamangan. Nako. Final Algiers. Okay. Shoutout nga pala ulit sa ating mga sponsors. Cobra, Vitamin, Manyaman, and Grace at Jekasa. defense, malala. Pass sa ilalim. Pass sa Franco, Philip, foul. Who's fouled that? Who's fouled that? 4-4-4. First free throw. No ball. Second free throw.
Ilan na yun? Ilang foul?
Si number
Foul ball.
first.
Ilang time mo? Time mo? May isa pa.
Floater, no good. Rebound by number 15. Foul number 3, number 2. Ilang foul na? First personal foul, first team foul. Second team foul. No team. Number 7. Bamba. Balik sa 80 ng Kalamangan. Pinasa kay Red. Baba. Foul sa baba. Second personal foul, second team foul. Red, tumira 3. No good. Rebound by Salindong. To number 7. Ahura. Steve by number 3. To number 271, 2 points. Humahapon. Number 3, Budoka. To number 5, 15, number 12, Lee, Bonadolo. Nabitawan. Bola ng Triple D's. Babasi 60 ng Kalamangan. Sorry to run. To number 911. Foul. Inila. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Easy 2 points. Balik ulit sa 18. Binangga. Matigas. Warning for penalty pa lang. Warning for penalty. Number 1. Cross. Pinasa kay 911. Tumirang 3. Airball. Rebound by kuha ni Novi. Sila Novi pa. Nasa 2. Ano na, sinisila nila. Balik sa 20 ang malamang. Crossover by number 1. 1-2 step. To Morales. No good. Rebound by Rocky. Tumira stop and pop. Tapos. Rebound by number 1. Tumirang 3. No good. Walang foul. Timeout. For our fourth quarter. G. 3. Sinaharas. Train up. Inipit. Shot agulan. Foul. Number 5.
Nagulang kasi.
Fourth.
Ano? Ayun nyo kasi.
First free throw, good. Second free throw. Good. Kaya pa, 20 na lang, 20 na lang. Last 2 minutes. Nako, bad pass by Norwood. Bad pass din. Bigayan lang ng bad pass. Substitution, pasok. Number 9. Pass to number 7. Franco. 1-2. Foul. Who's fouled there? Pag pumasok. Substitution. Pinasok na ang 3-pointer ng Algiers. Yung tumatakbo sa reach out para mang-cheats. Yeah. Number 19, foul. Penalty. First free throw, no good. Second free throw. No good ulit. Last 1 minute. Yung press, no good. Pinasa kay Red. Ganda. Easy 2. Last 50 seconds. 20 pa rin ang kalamangan. Sino, pinasa kay Red. Murder. Last 22 seconds. But for 2. Last 10 seconds. Parang nagja-jogging lang sa reach down. Nagamit ng kicks. 3,